Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change single quote style on Mac. So if you use smart quotes, Mac also lets you customize how single quotation marks appearing while typing. This can help match a specific writing format or preference when creating document or other content. So if you would like to change the single quote style, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Keyboard. Now here, click on the edit button right to input sources, and before proceeding, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to use smart quotes and dashes. Now next, click on the drop down menu right to for single quotes and choose the single quote style you want to use. And that's it. Your Mac will now use a selected single quote style in the supported apps whenever a smart quotes are enabled. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.